In this problem, we are given an equation in slope-intercept form and are asked to find the graph using the slope and the y-intercept. The given equation we have is y equals negative 3/4 x plus 2. What we need to first identify is the slope and the y-intercept. The slope in this case is going to be negative 3/4 because it's the number attached with the variable x or the coefficient of the x. And the y-intercept is the constant or the number that's by itself. That's a positive 2. Once we have our slope and our y-intercept, we're going to follow along with these two steps. Plot the y-intercept and then use the slope to plot additional points. So first thing, let's look at the y-intercept. It's a positive 2, so that means I'm going to go to the y-axis and find positive 2 and make a point. Next, I'm going to use slope to plot additional points. Remember, slope means rise over run. So that means I'm going to rise by a negative 3 and run by a positive 4, okay? From your y-intercept, you will rise negative 3, which actually means go down 3. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3 units, and then I'm going to run to the right, positive 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my new point on this line is at 4, negative 1. You can continue this same pattern by still going from the point you just plotted, rising negative 3 or down 3, 1, 2, 3, and then running 4. But if you notice, if I run for 1, 2, 3, 4, the point's going to end up going off the graph, but it'd be somewhere right there. Let's say you wanted to do some points to the left side of the y-axis, so you just go back to your y-intercept, and you would do the exact opposite of what you did on the right side of your y-intercept. So instead of rising negative 3, you would rise a positive 3. Or instead of going down 3, you're going to go up 3 from your original y-intercept point. So up 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to run 4 in the left direction. So over to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, and my new point would be here. You can continue that for as many times as you want to. All you need is about 3 points, though, to see how your line is going. So once you have all your points, you just connect them as straight as you can or use a straight edge, and then your answer is complete.